Introducing the Reward Calculator, a convenient tool that allows you to estimate the potential rewards in Ultima DeFi-U's key product based on your budget. To receive regular rewards from DeFi-U, you need a license and a split contract, and the Reward Calculator will help you choose them. You can use the calculator yourself or share the link with a friend who is not yet a DeFi-U user to demonstrate the product's capabilities. In this guide, we will explain how to use the Reward Calculator. The calculator is available on the Ultima business website in the promo materials section. To share the calculator link with others, you need to check the box with the text, "I allow sharing my contact information." After that, you can copy the link to the calculator. The calculator helps make calculations for the VIP pool and the community pool. You can choose the relevant pool in the top right corner of the screen. Let's start with an introduction to the calculator for the community pool. Note that there are two calculation methods on the calculator. Specify your estimated budget, and the calculator will suggest optimal license and split contract options based on your budget, calculating the potential reward size. Choose different license and contract options to receive reward and budget calculations for each. Firstly, we'll follow the first path and enter your budget amount in euros in the Your Budget field. Please note that if there is a current promotion, the calculator will consider it in the calculation. Let's assume your budget is 220 euros. The calculator will instantly calculate the following data: suitable licenses, license, limit, and the quantity, amount of licenses. The license limit determines the maximum amount of Unity split tokens available within the license. The more expensive the license, the higher the limit. Suitable split contract, contract package, and the available quantity of contracts, amount. The final cost of one split, one Unity split price, and the total amount in euros needed for your DeFi-U startup, total. In the green block below, you will see the expected rewards for the day, month, and year, day, monthly, yearly, for the current Ultima halving period, as well as the equivalent in USDT. By default, the value is calculated based on the current Ultima rate, but you can also perform additional calculations by changing the token rate in the end rate field. Current halving values: the number of tokens entering the market per day, daily amount, the number of days until the next halving, days before halving, and the daily reward amount after the next halving, next daily amount. Current network indicators: the number of Unity split in the network, Unity split supply, reward for split, reward per Unity split, price for Ultima, Ultima price. Here you can also specify the Ultima rate for calculation, end rate. All values are also duplicated on the smartphone screen on the right. We have demonstrated how the calculator works when you specify your budget. If you want to explore different possibilities with various licenses, choose License Options in the License field, and the calculator will provide calculations based on the selected license. You can also specify the type of contract you want to enter, and the calculator will calculate your budget and suggest the optimal license. The Your Budget field will display the budget required to purchase the products. Note that if you increase the number of contracts, the license type will change. You can also select a license at the bottom of the screen. After selecting the license and contract, you will see the reward calculation and current network indicators below. The working principle of the calculator for reward calculation in the VIP pool is similar to the process described above. Your contact details and a link for registration through your referral link are at the bottom of the calculator screen. So we have introduced you to the reward calculator. If you have any questions, you can always send them to our support team. We are confident that the calculator will become a useful tool in your work. We wish you success in your endeavors and high profits.